Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The refrain to justify not moving away from fossil fuels has been that it would put people out of work. Coal and petroleum are big employers. India alone has about 8.6 lakh energy jobs now. But a new study has found that phasing out fossil fuels would actually add 80 lakh energy sector jobs across the world by 2050, of which over 5.4 lakh would be in India. Climate action results in more jobs, Dr. Sandeep Pai, co-author of the paper published in One Earth journal on Friday, told to media. Data he shared showed that if the Paris Agreement target of temperature rise staying well below 2 degrees centigrade were met, the number of jobs in India energy sector would go up from 8.6 lakh to 14 lakh by 2050. The rest of South Asia, meanwhile, would add about 69,000 jobs. China, on the other hand, would lose over 27 lakh jobs. According to our study, the US and Middle East and North Africa are clear winners in terms of adding maximum numbers of jobs. They all add over 1 million jobs by 2050, Pai said. The reason this happens is because low carbon technologies are more job intensive. That would lead to an increase in the number of jobs, especially during the expansion of renewable energy capacity. The emerging economies of Indonesia, Southeast Asia, Brazil, India and South currently have a large number of jobs in the fossil fuel sector. In our WB2C, that is global temperature rise well below 2 degrees centigrade scenarios, while their fossil fuel jobs decrease, the increase in energy demand and massive deployment of renewables leads to an overall rise in jobs, the paper said. But why the variation? Understand. Job number differences are a complex mix of changes in jobs intensity, energy demand and differing impacts of economic drivers associated with these regions. These drivers include population, GDP, urbanization, etc., Pai said. But generally, China, which currently produces and consumes half of the world's coal, has over 6 million coal jobs. In the future, while this massive coal sector declines, and so do the associated jobs and new renewable jobs are created, they are not enough to compensate for the losses in coal jobs. In India's case, the majority of Indian jobs are also in the coal sector, over 0.5 million, which decline, but gains in renewable jobs more than make up for the lost jobs. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.